This is a demonstration of installing Windows 10 in VirtualBox. Start by clicking New to create a new virtual machine, providing it with a unique name, and then clicking Continue. Update the memory size to be 4096 if your computer has 8 gigabytes of memory. Click Continue. Continue to use a virtual disk drive, a virtual disk image, and make sure that it is dynamically allocated. Set the size to 128 gigabytes. Click Create. Now that the virtual machine is created, go ahead and click the Start button. You will be prompted to select one of the disks that you have previously downloaded according to the instructions in the homework. Make sure that you click on the client version of that disk. You may need to select it from your ISO directory or your desktop, depending upon where it was downloaded and extracted. In this case, I'm going to make sure to select the one that says Client Release. Client Release. And when I'm done, I'll click Choose. Then I'm going to click Start, and the virtual machine will turn on, go through its individual BIOS, and start the Windows 10 installer. To aid us during the installation, we're going to enable scaling in VirtualBox so that it will take up the entire window. Double-click on the frame to maximize the screen. Click Next. Click Install Now. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Select Custom Install. Select the default settings for this step and click Next. Windows will now install, rebooting several times. To make this faster, we have cut out the intermediate steps. Select the region. Select your keyboard layout. Choose to skip to add a second keyboard. Since we do not want to use our Microsoft account to log in, click Domain Join instead. Enter a memorable username. Create a super memorable password and enter it twice as prompted. Choose 3 security questions, making sure to select a question from the drop-down and an answer. I typically just answer with E on test computers. Choose to synchronize your activity history. I choose no. Select your privacy settings. You will automatically be logged into Microsoft Windows. At this point, you are missing the acceleration and usability features for VirtualBox, and those need to be installed by selecting Devices, Insert Guest Edition CD Image. Start Explorer. Click on this PC and double-click CD drive. Then click VirtualBox Windows Editions. Click Yes. Click Next. Click Install or Next. Click Next. And allow the VirtualBox Editions to install the drivers. Click Finish and allow it to reboot. Once rebooted, send a Control-Alt-Delete to log in. Type in your password. And you've logged back in. We can start Edge, navigate, and confirm that the network is working. We can also adjust our scaling mode so it'll auto resize.